Hello friends, this is Havells company water heater geyser. We say it is geyser. This heater, the complaint is the board is not working and the coil is formed like this salty fungus. Okay, I cleaned all these salty pastes and okay, in this unit there is no display is coming. This is not a normal geyser. This is digital controlled geyser. Okay, here is the board is operated by the SMPS supply. Okay, I check the resistance of this board. Here is a fuse. Fuse means there is NTC. It is good. Okay, here is this is bridge rectifier. This is DC side. Okay, DC side it is showing short. See, both side it is showing resistance. It is shorted board. Okay, let's check the what spare is complaint. We think it is the capacitor is short or bridge is short. Now I remove the capacitor. See, one side is showing and another side is also showing. This capacitor get shorted. Now I check without capacitor. There is no short anything. One side it is showing a ohms and another side is not showing anything. Okay, now it is good. The capacitor is to be changed. This capacitor is 6.8 MFD, 450 volt. This is 10 MFD, 450 volt. It is nothing happen. We put the capacitor. The position of capacitor and the plus and minus of the capacitor is correctly connected. Otherwise it is blasted when the power supply is given. Okay, and the capacitor is why it is shorted. We must, when the capacitor is get shorts, the other spares is must complaint. Okay, let us see which spare is complaint. Okay, I put a capacitor. We must check the board in cold condition only. Okay, here is we get a cold condition. Cold condition means without supply. We must check all the spares in without supply. Okay, let's see the when series is given to the top, there is no uh, display in the display section. Okay, this is the relay and the coil. Here the SMPS transformer is there. We put the supply for this board, then check it what happened in the board. Okay, okay, let's take a multimeter. I put a DC volt. I checking the capacitor voltage. We must get the 300 voltage here. There is no voltage, and the AC side is also not showing any voltage. Here input side we seen the supply. See here, we can trace the supply tracks. See here, input is there. See here is there is no voltage. Here we get a voltage, and this is the resistor is there. Low ohms resistor is there. Okay, let's remove the resistor. Okay, when operated in the board, we must safely doing the work, otherwise the tracks are burned out and the low the low volt iron is using, and then the lead remover is to be used. Okay, this is the place of resistor. Okay, let's see, the resistor is opened, and here is a physical damage is occur. Okay, there is no resistance in the resistor. Okay, let's put a, this is the 22 ohms resistor. We put a same value resistor in that place, and we insulated the one side of leg and put a resistor in the board, soldered carefully and cleanly. Okay, now I put the power supply. Okay, the display section is on, and when the relay is on, the series light is also glow. Okay, now it is perfect. Thank you for watching. Please share the video to your friends. Thank you very much. The coil is not grounded and the coil is good. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Please support me to do a like this videos. Okay, thank you very much once again.